Dear students, open your book, page number 115. Recall faces, edges and corners in solid shapes. Solid shapes have faces, edges and corners. Flat and curved faces. The outside of a solid shape is called its face or surface. So face or surface are similar. What is called face? The outside of a solid shape is called its face. Now how many faces are there? Two faces are there. One is flat faces and another is curved faces. So solid shapes have flat or curved faces. Now this one. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. A cube and cuboid have flat faces. They have no curved faces. Now I am giving you an example of cube. This is a form of cube. This is a cube. Now which one is face? This is one face. Second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, and this one is sixth face. So a cube has 6 faces. Similarly, a cuboid also has 6 flat faces. Now what is the difference between cube and cuboid? In cube all sides are equal, but in cuboid all sides are not equal. So this is an example of cube and this is called flat face. Next, a sphere has a curved face. It has no flat faces. Last day we have done that the face of a sun is a form of a sphere. This is a sphere. One example of sphere is football. Football is also a type of sphere. In sphere, we get only curved face. There is no flat faces. Now, this one is cylinder and this is a cone. A cylinder and a cone both have flat and curved faces. So, cube and cuboid have only flat faces. Sphere has only curved faces. And the cylinder and cone have both flat and curved. Both faces they have flat and curved faces. Now in cylinder this is called flat face and this one called curved face. And in cone this is called curved face and this is called flat face. Now straight and curved edges. In cube we are getting straight edges. Now what is straight edges? An edge is where two faces meet. Suppose this is an example of cube. This is one face and this face is another face. These two faces meet here. That means this is called an edge. Similarly, suppose I am taking this edge. This one is an edge where two faces meet. What are they? This face and this face. These two faces meet at here, so this is an edge. A cube has straight edges. Cuboid also has straight edges. Now cylinder and cone. A cylinder has curved edges and a cone has curved edges. This is called curved edges. Next, corners. Now, at first we have learned face. This is one face. Then we have learned that two faces meet here. So, this is an edge. Now, we will learn corner. This is one edge. This is another edge. These two edges meet at here. So, this point is called corner. That's why it is written here, a corner is where three edges meet. So, what is a corner? Take an example. This is one edge. This is another edge. These two meets at here. Similarly, this edge also meets at this point. So this point is called corner. A cube and a cuboid have corners. A sphere doesn't have corners. Now we will start exercise 7.2. Look at the pictures above. These are the given pictures. Fill in the blanks with the word plane, curved or straight. Question number A. A football has, this is a football. It has curved surface. So a football has a curved face. B. A toy engine. This is a toy engine. This has both flat and curved surface. This is a flat face and this is a curved face. So it has both flat and curved surfaces. C. The book. This is a book. The book has flat faces and straight edges. These are faces and these are edges. D. Rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. Has curved faces and curved edges. This is curved faces and which one is curved edges? This one is curved edge. So football has curved face. Toy engine has both flat and curved surfaces. Book has flat faces and straight edges. Rolling pin has curved faces and curved edges. Next question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. A fruit that has a curved surface only. Orange. B. Solids that have flat faces and straight edges and are used to play indoor games. Dice. C. Something used in the classroom to write. It has a curved face and curved edges. Chalk. D. Something sweet that you love to eat. It has flat faces and straight edges. Chocolate. Thank you, children.